lost my mind in just a second.
Up first this evening, concern about an alarming trend in lottery scamming. The police in St. James say the illegal practice is being taken over by teens, as specifically males, while a growing number of females are also involved.
Teenage boys are now swapping their books for lead sheets, as many are looking for an easy means of making money. And according to Deputy Superintendent of Police Dave Brown,
tonight, investigators say 4 men from Jamaica are accused of stealing more than $200,000 from victims all across the country, including right here on the Gulf Coast. According to this affidavit, the suspects tricked victims into thinking they won a lottery. But to get their winnings, the victims had to pay what the suspects said were taxes. Investigators say the victims then shipped the money through FedEx.
Continuing coverage tonight, 4 men from Jamaica accused of running a lottery scam from Baldwin County.
Federal investigators saying they stole hundreds of thousands of dollars from victims all across the country.
It is one of the biggest scams targeting seniors in the United States right now. Federal officials say Jamaican lottery schemes are growing at an alarming rate. The Senate hearing on the problem is all set for tomorrow.
Jeff.
Morning, boy. He did in a dog.
Hey boy, come here. Boy, come here. Come here. And I no money and I don't pay you. Yo, give me your phone. Give me your phone. Where you go, boy? Where you go?
Stop me, go.
Where you go, boy?
Stop.
Me tell him to walk back to you. That's how you.
Come. Wait for me, shut the informer. Sir.
That me tell you, say, we are watch you, say. No, I see what you say again. You hear me say?
Yeah.
So, yo, go on out there, son. No, go on out there, son.
So I got no lot.
Yo, me just swipe off phone now.
Come and see it on.
Boy, run up and me see him and just take away phone from the boy.
So you never have no money too?
No, sir. Boy, no money for him.
Yeah, move and roll out.
Yeah, Bigga.
No, so you gotta lock your whole place down.
Yeah.
And for the rest of your life.
Yeah, man.
No boy enough to test them.
Yeah.
Any boy company lane and feel like them too bothered, lappy, lick down that man, gunshot with dead. You know, so Ryan fi carry some clappers coming, dog.
Yeah.
Dog then nearby still, by boy naive, you know, see him.
See him and get them from him, man.
Yeah, man. So you know, so me have to go all a line up, look more still, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh, Spice.
Where you know me from?
So me know you from Uptown, man.
Uptown?
You know me down when me dey see in a taxi them and me dey jump in a taxi the same time too.
Eh? So where your name?
Just ask about Bigga, man.
Bigga?
Yeah, man. A bad man around here.
Bad man?
Mm-hmm.
But me not want a bad man.
Don't worry yourself, man. Remember, so me eat ice cream too, you know. You can take care of you, so start, you know.
But my mother already take care of me.
I mean, man, can take care of you and give 100,000 for you week to go to school. Station help you out, you know.
So who tell us I not have 100,000 for go to school?
That no say you know want something more on your lunch money for go to school.
No.
What you mean, man? You a gunman money here right now. Can give you 100,000 for your week, man. What you mean, man?
100,000?
Yeah, man.
God no.
Yes, dog.
That not sound bad.
All 4 too.
You know, some mother not really want me there with no gunman though.
Enough, you know.
Oh, you didn't dare talk about other days I want it on the news.
Don't worry about that, man. Me ain't no close up yet. Can't go. Just go tell them my name. You know, man.
Okay.
Where you hear that from?
Don't worry yourself. But anyways, we say 400,000.
You know, so me have something for God do, you know. So, hear me I say. You know what we find, you know.
Aye.
Look good, those spies. One that man are so bossy.
Come for dust some boy now, dog.
I mean, I said
Come for some shift and pass some boy now.
you me?
Alright.
The fuck boy at the far side. I think it's on the campaign.
We are no brother.
Alright.
You, this one there, got them on there. And that the one there in a yellow shirt.
You didn't care.
Alright.
Roll out.
Where you going, Bigga?
You know, say boy, Ziddy, man. As in, see you, girl, say, you little informer boy got to lick her mother, you know. You know, for camping style, man. You say 40. You love people here, and you love food, you know, hungry, good, you know. Yeah, man. I talk about things and things, too, but don't know she love me same way, you know.
Yeah, that me I said,
The man chat too much, you I hit me, I tell you, remember about you, they don't back out, so. Inform go inform me same situation, and man then spot man boss in brain.
so you don't know which part I can't get no gun, dog.
I mean, man, but I wish me shall have up on that.
You know, say one boy, me see out the road and boy come violate, dog.
You know, a Chinese supermarket, dog.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me feel like pick up gunshot, must be a gunshot out there and use them as a stage.
Yeah.
And go in there and take out and empty. You don't know you don't you road there, so you have a white truck. You see him truck empty store, you know. So me I tell her, I me a lock spice in a boat. The boy see them, man. I look walk talk, I look parrot.
Boy, I love chat off him up, man.
Man, go pan if you, but you don't know some man not to mix and him go on station, you know. I pop up on the Facebook and no longer right now, so money more make you know. What time I come circle me man, you can't link me when fire out, you have to link me when fire blaze, is he pray?
Yeah, man, me see your money, man.
Yeah, man, just link money the blaze, no link money out. Understand? Alright.
Come on. Come on. We are waiting to go up, boy. Boy, come here, boy. Come here. Bigga.
Yo, what going on, sir? I want to come for you.
You know, say, boy, just beat up my little brother and take my money and stuff.
Who's my brother?
Boy, roll out.
Roll out.
Yeah.
We know roll out. Shut up, boy, in your face. We know roll out. We know who are your brother.
Alex. Boy, yeah. Alex, want to beat up.
Where boy name?
Alexi boy name.
Alexi boy name.
Yeah.
We beat up anybody and everybody. And I see man, easy man. Cause we come here to broad daylight.
Bro, no run joke boy, you ain't a boy.
So lift up our file in here. That me I tell you here. That.
Me lick off your face in a little boy.
Yes, I want to go boy. Boy, anything you ready, me ready for. Here.
The boy, me have a broomstick and line up for you, boy.
Boy. We have broomstick for
Yo, roll out, what going on, man? My father, I know it things set in a man. We drop a road again in a man, I know it. I know it things set. Good to see you, my dog. I know it things set. We're outside.
But dog, we out here.
Yo, yeah, what going on?
Separate.
Can't bother with a little fool business, you know. You understand?
Fool enough with him, really?
Hear me and say no, man. Money up on the beach you make, you know.
Me.
And we need for you make money. Yo, shut up, man. I don't see me there start talk.
Yo.
You understand me I say?
Let me know we.
Hear me and say, we need to get some things on the beach. You understand? Every one of them people who see yourself on the beach need for you pay up, you know. And come on.
Beach?
On the beach, you hustle them. Everybody from the...
On the beach, them want to reach.
Alright. Right, we're showing on that.
That alone.
Don't worry yourself, man. Yo. Run it. I know what things set.
So tell him to run some fast.
We chat about that. Yo, who a play?
I tell you, man, 1 week. We don't have it yet.
Spread the word. Top Shottaz back.
Wagwan bigger than.
Wagwan.
There, you know.
So you're good?
Yeah, man.
Wait, you know.
For real?
You're always on time, man. You say you're safe for us at night time, don't it? You're good.
Man, more than safe.
Come on, do the right thing, you know. Remember, if any boy this, you know, man.
Take over back to the beach, to make. You ain't way me talk boy, no. Like.
Oh, around and say them come. Can't find nothing. Who want money for jitney? Who want money where to go?
Yeah, move so.
Say this, brother. Every day, so.
Boy. Yo, drop this money for this.
You this too, man, because we don't have time for each, you know. Want to talk to for a little girl and come on.
Daddy, we want to come with you.
Baby, you know, so I go on one mission, and the mission is not for kids here.
Okay.
But when daddy come back, him and you gonna play, all right? Just go on with your mother until you come back here, baby.
Come up with me. Come, we don't have time for waste yourself.
Black, so far, here.
Hey boy, make sure I'm serious now. You have to swim with the fish them go where you come from here.
You can't, no, so I want to rub me the ground by them.
Me say, don't come around and say I shit up a place. Why I teach you with this?
All right, you can, there.
Sure, man. Okay, man. Go on, so.
Yo, go on by this year. Don't shit in that place again.
Right up there, big up, you right?
If you ever...
Yo, as me I tell you, mama. Big up yourself, you know. I want love here.
Yo, boss, you don't want no weed to buy.
Oh, yeah, to sell weed.
I want weed myself.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, to work with somebody.
Work for myself, man.
Work for yourself. So you run up there, so?
Yeah, man.
You feel your place?
Yeah, man, I feel my place. So you don't run off there, so.
So where you come from?
Darlington.
Darlington. I get where you come down, sir?
Yeah, man.
You know, Bigga and Gavin and them and there.
Yeah, man.
Boy, get up. So when I go walk up a Darlington,
yeah.
Don't come down and say, here. You hear me tell you? Don't come back for my turf again. You hear that, boy? Run me. Run me, boy.
You don't want to let me down tonight, see?
Can I tell you tonight, man? I'll let you down.
No fighting,
No
everything
fighting.
feel alright.
That's right.
What you say?
Whatever goes.
I don't know why body feel like that, you see me?
Yeah.
That's a nice talk about bad man, you know. You see?
That's right.
My sweetheart by the gate. Both of them a smile, both of them a chat so great. I never seen a scene it.
Bartender, fix something there.
Great. No, say minister say forget that bag.
Yo, tell minister son the bag too light, you know.
Yeah.
No man, but me I tell her, give him a message that time say Bigga say this a bag too light.
Alright, man.
You understand? Tell minister say if you do the right thing and make me have to come back up here again.
Yeah.
You understand? Tell him say the dogs them may come here with them bite.
Alright.
You do the right thing in a short pass.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, if I want a real work, you know, man, you can link up, you know.
No problem, man. We have it, man. We have it.
All right. I go and enjoy ocean breeze. See, all of them sun here, every sun grain we sit on the beach or so belongs to Bigga.
Where I try for cool? Where I try? Where I say?
So make you know, say, I have to my place, it's not my dad. I have to pay for living night, you know.
Yo, let me tell you this. No man can tell you what to do. You hear that? No man. Let's have to go prove and show me that. Remember, say time gone, nobody not afraid of nobody again, you know.
Just to make you know, say, a top Shottaz run this right now. Enough bird, miss fly, you know. Enough bird lock up in a cage, see him way. You understand? I mean, a little boy we shoot bird with catapult. I stop use catapult long time.
Where are you? Check, man. Where are you?
I'm just trying to make you know, say, I have a little goon on the beach. I go and feel like I said they can come sell nothing down for my turf. I feel my place this. I don't know why you're going to my funeral. Zane?
Yo. No, boy. Can't tell we what to do. You hear that? Step if you step off.
Enjoy your vacation, me kill him. You understand? Just remember, say a bigger place.
Where are you?
Do your thing.
You for know what you do, yeah?
Shake, you not done shake yet. Wait till the boss come. Boss, this one I take a thing for joke, you know. I mean, I want to do nothing without your say so. I can deal with him. Can I give him the price and him a run joke with me and I tell me say a little bit him have. And I run joke after him deal with the girl already. Him no want pay, boss. You can deal with him.
But you say I try skim off him. I try girl and thing. I use badness.
Yeah, man. Him don't know who you be, boss.
Yo, I ramp with the money, boy. Eh? You don't know what me be? The girl tell us, say, how much you charge him?
We charge him 15. And he tell me, say, him only have little bit.
15,000? Or 1,500?
15,000.
15,000? Hey, boy. Yo, Ziddy, come on.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, sit to there, here. I ramp with money, boy. Yo, sit to there. The other one, bossy. Yo, deal with him. 15%. Go on, sir. Carry on, sir. 15%.
Come on, sir, boy.
Move, youths.
Don't take no talk from nobody. All right. So take the phone off up and go make the payment right now. Okay, go make that payment. You're gonna be a lucky winner. You're a lucky winner. You should be happy. You should be happy. All right.
Yeah, what happened? Yeah, be things are going no bossy.
Hold on.
Yeah, bossy man just analyze you up saying up from a being.
Oh.
You see like a juvenile who run off and mission them up so bad man.
So I'm not hear about that. So who you think do it?
I see him little boy them might be a bad man. And them analyze you you know. And you they get out of hand in the father.
Yo, bossy, yo, Agwan. Them boy they feel like they can ramp with man thing in a dog. So I want to some man dog.
Just not too long happen. One of my bird them call me look well, I know it's a bat fly away. You see me?
Yo, Agwan. Tell Iguana say for rise up my shoes them right now, cause since it's time, I don't see them, Yo. I'm on my shoes them,
I'm linking boss, man. I'm pick up everyone I bought them. Here. A different thing right now. One of them boy feel like a joke thing going here.
Yo, every one of them, cause right now, God no, yo, a money man want to make this year, brother. Yo, some right now, some different businessman left on in a dog. I think the man want to sell weed forever.
Yo, it thing hurt me to my heart, Here, thing hurt me to my heart. And right now, we need to do something fast. I got page him.
Me I give until 8 o'clock. Tell him say by 8 o'clock, I want me shows them.
A different thing I know, boss man. By 6:30 you see me, live and direct.
Do the right thing, me there, sir.
Yo.
Do the right thing. Oh, I'm here. How can I style this?
Post out.
Post out? My girl, I'm here. Yo, ramp with money.
Give me the money.
Yo, you mean to say, yo, don't ramp with money thing, How can I style this man picking on the road like this?
But the house at home for doing the baby talent.
What do you mean by house? I tell you, open up the window them. They don't need on TikTok.
My phone dead.
My girl, nobody come ramp with man thing, man. How can I style this? Yo, be the picking on and put on clothes and fit man. I get up and they on TikTok.
But me have to watch TV myself.
Yo, hear me say, yo, Dante, come on. I'm here, man. Look how I pit it. You better get up out of bed, man, and be the pit, man. You can ramp with man thing. Next time I see you do that, man, I come in here for you. A fool I want to take man thing for.
You don't have to get you for no fool. But the pampers and feed are done. And the last go.
The pampers and feed are done, you know my number.
Tell them my phone dead.
You Yeah, all this to man. Hear me I say? Let me see you do this again, you know. The next time I do this, you know, may have a problem, you know.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay?
That's a may have problems, so I may have problems then, no?
Yeah, hear me I say? Don't ramp with me, you know. Hear me I tell you?
Yeah.
Don't ramp with me. Yeah, go on there.
Not a thing.
I'm out of sleep.
You know, say no for take your baby back here.
You know, I think so. So, yeah, go on. Where the phone?
Not a thing, bro. Just there.
Yeah, take care, I'm good, though.
Yes, of course. One seed. Bye.
I mean, I pass through, so I can get a link.
But you're not supposed to pass through if you can't give me a link. You're supposed to come give me a link whenever. What do you mean by?
I build a little empire, you know.
So that's it?
Eh?
That's it?
Oh, so money make up on get stuff.
Take time and you broke your neck. Jesus.
No, I'm broken neck, man, but you know I think so.
Yes, yeah, carry baby or... You don't feel like you want to spend one day with him or something?
No, man, I don't have the time, man.
What do you mean by not have the time?
Hold it.
See you on a whole and
I don't have the time, I really know.
Huh?
Watch out, I must say, man, I have to depend on the road I go and do work, you know.
Oh.
Money I have to make, you know. What you think this comes?
You can't camp on the road then?
I can take my rent house and put it so. I don't want me picnic in the ghetto and anything like.
Right.
Isn't it?
Yes.
One picnic if you got prep school and anything there and get come first in the class.
Right. And get good education.
No, I think so. Isn't me say I not breed I made it not.
True.
Yeah.
You're right about that.
When you reach 2 years old, I give one next one say me I know say I say things say.
Man. So me figure so if anything work.
Wait a second, I got a party looking at it.
No. Who will watch your baby?
I left him with your mother.
She don't go watch him. She also why we gonna party and leave the baby?
Don't worry about that, man. Just leave him with your mother, man. Remember, say she just there at the time. She not sure.
That time different. Just see if you.
All right, look a bit.
Yeah.
Right there, pan.
There, man, I go and hold it forward. Everything good.
Where you want iguana there?
You were telling me about 5 minutes ago. We can move.
Come on, can you smell the rat, man?
For real, man.
So, yeah, what you say if I see him? Because time say Bigga look for him, see?
Come on, me give you the message, man. You see me? So I say, oh, I am have now.
Or you say, when you find him, tell me say Bigga look for him, see?
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Me give him the message.
You know the things that everything good.
So far, man.
But don't go on the right things, still.
Go yourself, man. Pass it on.
Where you going, Jimmy?
No, so me there.
Check my phone, check for what go on. For the product down.
Everything good, huh?
Because right now I want to go over Panama one night time go get some product to you. Some of that 100% there, you know. I'm on me say them a deal like 100% over there. I send 2 man come for it.
Oh man, I said no man come on my place you. And me I did them myself.
Alright, no say a word then. So I say how much we have can go to now?
About 150, you know.
150?
Yeah, man.
Alright, because a ship are coming in, you know.
So you link state?
I have an uncle over there, you know.
Oh. Nice. That simply means no problem and then nothing, man, when nothing for move.
Oh, man, everything good, man. Everything good, man.
So I just reach if you reach?
I just reach if you reach. Watch out, man, anything I come in, this, man, anything I go out, man, things have to go out on it for me, you know. Right now, the whole of Negril for me, you know, the whole of beach for me, you know.
True.
You get me, I say?
Yeah, man.
Only thing is off limit down the side is the tourism. Only thing want sell them things. And make money off of them. You understand?
Yeah, man.
But we are protect them same way.
Yeah.
You understand?
You don't have to worry yourself about.
See one, you don't see one iguana?
One iguana, which one of them?
Fat iguana, man.
Fat iguana, no, sir. Iguana, that iguana there move shaky too, you know.
Yeah, I give man my shoes them for luck, you know. And since this time, you know, see my shoes them, you know. I roll out, no say out. Tell himself, I don't get my shoes them by 8 o'clock, you know. And like, mama dead, you know, dog.
Yeah.
And if 8 o'clock come on, I don't get my shoes, you know what time it is.
Yeah.
I know where yourself still. Because this a year we now run, no joke, you know. 2026, you know. You know what things set, you know.
True.
Start off slow.
Yeah.
But we now make it end slow.
True.
You do the right thing.
True.
But yo, if I anything, you know, yo, me link here, you know.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
See?
Yeah, man.
You knock up on a bird.
All right, dada.
Yo, Umber, you don't link that the man there make you know saying a dog. If 8 o'clock come on, I don't get my shoes, you know. And the mama dead, you know. You see me? But you don't want to know, say, it come like, say, a prophet dog. Because you don't want to know, say, when I stay as a Bamson and run a program, see, the man them make me know, say, yo, the one iguana dog, take my shoes them and go hide around a woman house, brother. See? And I know, say, the man make the shoes them wash for brother in a storm and I go and tell me, say, oh, my shoes them, you see me? And make you know, say, brother, yo, I'm not run a joke with my shoes them in a dog. You see me? Because enough money me pay for my shoes them. You see me? But know yourself still. This one here. We'll take him off our planet, man.
Where Bigga shoes there, boy? Where Bigga shoes there?
You know, go like me, I don't know a friend for a long time now. Please, listen. I remember Yo, Ziddy, let me explain. Remember me, I tell you, say, stop watching me, dog.
Stop watching what?
Yo, Ziddy, dog. No, me a big.
What?
Me a big for my life, dog, please. Oh, no, me on a friend, I'm not grown, a dog, but I never grown. Bigga, please, Bigga. Me a big for my life, Bigga, take me. Me a dog, me on a friend, a dog, I know what to dog.
Hear about it,
me hear about it, dog. Bigga, please, don't take my life, Bigga, me a beg you.
What shoes there, the boy?
Bigga, me work and go to make money, dog. Me a beg you, dog. See the members of me on a part blacks and I know one link, dog.
What you wear there, shoes there?
Me work and buy back, bro.
Where Bigga shoes there?
Easy. Yo, easy.
Bigga, leave me up.
No.
Eh? You see, man, you see. You think some man shoes ain't cheap? Worry yourself, man. Man, I try protect your whole place and you can take man shoes and make have how much bag of shoes wash there? Think man clean. You know about duns today, hear that?
I beg you, no, please, no. Did please, dog. I say me on a normally pour a dog. Black so one link in a dog.
But Bigga shoes there.
Me tell you, say, it rain, bro, it's Sam.
Me send the man them for you.
Bigga, where you go to Bigga?
Eh? You run the side and go like say, no, you hide me out.
You know, say I sell the boy, sell the shoes them.
Me know, me not do it.
Yeah,
me work back money and go on it. My boy,
Bigga!
Yo. Come in. Yo, clean that up, you know. Yo, crime, go down. Ipalo. I can burn anybody. Yo, come here.
Yo, take up my head over there, sir.
Get on, boy.
Take up your man head now, brother.
Hold on, brother.
Hey, Bigga. She's over the edges of something. Right now, now listen to me. Let's go over there and do what I'm telling you to do. Right? Make sure it's set. So when you make sure it's set, boy, you don't need no evidence whatsoever. I can't afford anything to point back to us. So, you know, she's over there right now, so just go do what you do right now and make sure it's the boy you do it properly. Alright? I'm counting on you. Alright?
The Inter-American Commission on Human Rights says it is deeply concerned about the death of Latoya Bulgin, the woman who was shot by the police in Granville St. James last week. Ms. Bulgin was part of a group protesting the fatal police shooting of a 17-year-old boy on Mother's Day. In a statement on social media site X, the commission said it takes note of the officer's interdiction.
What you see yourself? Good news?
See that?
Done, man. Everything done, man. For real?
We see it on the news.
No trace. No, you sure?
As I say, man, nationwide we pick it up, man.
Boy, I tell you. Boy, when I do things, I don't normally talk about it, but this man here anger me, You know, sometimes women take man for fool, you know? Use and abuse and stuff and laugh in your face and stuff and think that's it. What do you think happened? Yeah?
So like you make a bad investment.
What do you, man? I mean, she cost me a lot, a lot of money. And laughing in my face, giving me all kind of problems and stuff. So, you know.
You know much people still asleep on the top of it right now.
Sure. So, what you say now? How we gonna do this now?
Just give me one forget, man, make me go on, man. Cause I don't know me not to come out as a waste no time, you know.
Actually, I don't have the cash on me. Anyway, I cannot give it here. Is that okay?
Oh, no, I think that's it.
No, man, you
have to load up a thing, man.
You're fine. Let's go find somewhere.
39 good, man. I have a support, man.
Hold on, here. What do you think I could leave it in the bathroom when you go and get it?
Yeah, the bathroom thing I come talk to man about, man. Let's see what I'm here. What man look like?
So, no, come on, man.
Yeah, no come to me with no bathroom thing, brother. Just say, man, a business me I do, you know. So, just get the money ready, man. Tell me when we forward, man. There's some man I go and wait. Yeah, they are throwing too much in them cabinet there, you know.
All right, I'll be back.
Bossy, easy now, bossy.
No, you go, man. I'm all lady, you know.
But your bossy people come and people go, man. You know that?
No.
That the kind of business we do, you know, man.
Your one friend, them, sometimes, you know, we have to quit. So sometimes my son go fuck with friend, them.
So you go, my general.
Bossy, hold on. Hold the shit on, boss.
I'm
R.I.P. man. I know I'm all free, man.
Yes, it's man. No, but I know just so you got it.
Boss, you get it together now, man.
Your mother important, brother. No,
get it together,
so you got it.
Johnny.
So you go, my general.
I'm to your boss, the people come and people come, man. They want you just let go of the freshness then. I don't like see you so, man. Yeah, general now, you lead me out, you know.
You not like one of your close friends, them. Mommy, you have to do the right thing. Do it and done.
Don't say anything, you have to just say a word to your boss and you know that, you know.
You have to do it and done.
Man, whole team there.
Yo, daddy, you know, one mother me have in a brother.
My condolence, my friend.
Yo, don't say condolence to me. You hear me say?
Judge.
Don't say no condolence to me, brother.
Yo.
Sorry for your boy, your mother, you know. Don't worry yourself, man. I saw you, man.
Worry yourself, man.
Yeah, done, bro.
Just remember, so I'm back in that place, you know, yeah? I'm there back in that road.
Don't worry yourself, man.
We chat, yeah?
Go on.
Yeah. Protect your minions, you hear that?
I mean, boss, a long time, them boy, they fi dash you, know, man. Cage of it, man. You know, say me did that something on the line to a part for bingo to a man go just go deal with it and just get in some food, because I don't know a thing, bro.
Do you do forward?
A general, you know, man. It's 40, yeah, me killer. I mean.
You are going. I run an errand. Remember, say man I go do something, you know. So I have to watch the road film, see it?
Yes, boss.
Home son. You stay up at top, my boy stay on. You see? Say if no police are coming, you can make some bam and call him, here.
Yeah, dog. Keep the other, man.
Say what, man? Yo, you stay up on ends with the man them and make sure say things govern here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Then I know say boss don't have so and send a cage man and send come slap you when you do the right thing. Just look out of your eye, you know. Look out of your eye, cage step off a long time. Up of your yard, him a forward. And me, man, you don't know, so me run the ground, man. I'm to you, man. Yeah, man. But me can't come up there. That's the thing. That's why I tell you. All right. Yeah, man. All right. That's nothing.
Yo, Zilly. God, you done all roll out. Dog, right now, things not going good in the youth. You know, dark, me I get dark in a bad dog. Right now, things here upgrade in the youth. Dark. A step with you, make a step in a bad dog. No, bro, no so things go, bro. Dog, if you uplift, you camp bad dog. Right now, nothing go on you, man, you can't get to drink them every day, youth. Bro, you can't go on like you want jumpy gun, bro. I wait boss to stay alive, you know. The boss is responsible, bro. The boss, your mind, you take care of it, bro. So how you dey come chat that, bro? Dog, you don't even know you thinks it better for we. So we can be boss too. You see me? You know I be boss. You want to live by boss every day. Bro, me alright, you know, bro. Me alright, bro. So say if you want to go to your runs and get catch, bro, it's up to you, bro. Boy, you idiot. Bro, if you're the one bossy, bro, you sign contract with your life, bro. You mad? Right in, boy. Who signed which contract with bossy? I think bossy can ramp with me life, youth. Show me there, show me loyalty. I think 100% loyalty in that show, bossy, youth. Bad man food for you run, youth, and bad man for you make 2-step, dog. Must have a machine them, bad dog.
Bro.
Joke thing I go on for the camp, youth.
Better can't say this, make bossy here.
Dog, I truly know this bossy, youth. If I see bossy get catch, the king says so bossy turn boss so fast. You much more bossy do you, brother, even know if a bossy tricking bossy and get fit on bossy bad man and same dog. Brother, bossy in a rate with dog. It's a long time bossy I eat give you all food, bad man food plate, lick and bossy big. You know, a big plate in a life to you. No boy, yeah, man, you laugh, brother.
You know, say so I really
I like them style, brother.
So I really fool you to watch bossy.
You mean youth? You feel like one time you don't eat belly full, brother, and bossy belly full over full, you much time you eat and left food. You think me like that? I want the food and I can't tell bosses I want the food because bossy I give dog them.
Bro, you chat them a thing, bro. Make bossy here, bro, because all of you chat are rubbish, bro. You can't watch your bossy eat, bro. Free food.
Brother, you eat.
Bossy food.
Brother, you eat that sell people them plate big on food, brother. You see bossy no rate with bad man. I know where mash works fame you. You eat that, brother.
You have a pint?
Have which pint? Me have a whole bombard thing you out about pint. Listen to me, dog. Listen to me.
Hear me, I listen.
Get things upgrade.
You know do that, bro. You go on.
Brother.
If nothing happen out there to you, you can't say me never warn you.
Spray, dog. Just listen what me say and roll with me. I see one time things work out like we can trick bossy bad man. Give me one place, brother. I'm put it up and make you be boss, dog, and then me can be next boss after. You see me? So we can be boss to youth. And don't be a fool, brother. You don't want to be like bossy.
So same say if you carry bossy go on place and go look, then me be boss. I same say go carry me go on place go good.
No, because I may make you be boss.
You ramped man money.
No, bigger man, easy no man. The school no brother.
The school? You feel like man thing a joke thing?
No brother, we know we understand the thing, brother.
Eh?
We understand the thing, brother.
You hand ain't too long. Blacks man, you know better than that in the blacks. Remember say me know your mother, me know everybody fear in the blacks. And then beg me and say, yo, you know.
Give me a chance, please.
And you go around, man, money blacks. Why you not rate me? You don't rate the movement. After we are trying to set a place where everybody can eat a food and everybody will live good. Bring back the love in a Negril. You feel like say you want to go around, man, money. Yeah? Elvis, them never tell about me. Mm-hmm.
Good God, bigger man.
Listen me.
Come on, brother. Just give one more chance, man.
Which one more chance? One more chance?
School, no, man. John, no, brother. Remember, we are human, no, brother. We all do make mistake, no, brother.
Yo, roll out. Deal with him.
Easy, no, man.
Hey, boy. Get up, boy!
Yo, dog.
Get up!
Yeah. You want to deal with someone?
I'm pretty boss thing, boy.
I'm here good every day, dog. I'm here general.
Pass mine on the pan.
Come on, man. You know, big a long time.
Go down by your knee, boy.
Yeah.
Go down by your knee, boy. Go down by your knee, boy.
I'm pretty boss thing, boy. You can play thing, boy. Go down by your knee.
Very bad for good men.
Go down by your knee, boy.
Now, a mission for your crush too, you know.
Anything, bossy. Anything.
Hey, girl. Sorry to interrupt, bossy, but me have to bring this one to you. Cause me need your permission to deal with her.
On to her.
Me give her a client, you know, boss. One of the foreign fat clients, you know. Over here. She tablet him and go with the next gang and rob him. My God. Another fat man from America.
Who, Todd?
Aye, him same one.
Oh, Charmaine, deal with this, you know.
That no one, dear boss. We can do what we want to her because she ring from morning.
Anything you want.
That no one hear about, please.
You hear me say?
Come on, you're wasting up for the boss time.
Yo, Charmaine.
Yes, I.
Do the right thing.
No, you talk, General.
Do the right thing.
You're not begging. I tell you for a long time, so me don't like you. Now deal with you. You don't know how long me do I deal with you, you know? Rank with me, you hit to your brown rank with me. Yeah, I want to deal with you for a long time, because you didn't rank. Move forward in. Hey! Yeah, beg. Pull your body suck shot. Hey!
Gracias por su cooperación y disfrute su vuelo. Dear passengers, we have closed the boarding door. At this time, all portable electronic devices must be turned off.
Yo, you hear me I say? Silence on the floor, you hear me I say? Zane? We just want to say congratulations to everybody right to say, you know. Zane? Big up to the all world. Charmaine. Yeah, a real mama on the bridge, you know.
Yes, King. Yes, sir.
You understand? Bossy, I want one of them for you tonight, you know. You know, sir, you're on my talk.
That's when man talk to Charmaine. You have a discount.
Me know the right one for you. Yeah, Peter.
Yeah, me talk about. Every sand grain that's how we take it. You understand? Any boy, everything on the sand beach, on the beach. A free. Free.
Hey, bossy. You know, say anything you say, man, I come with that. You know that father.
Think them boy they are gonna just sit down up on them and I drink cocktail and them sitting there. Eh? Send chicken back come down here. A lobster, what are we for eat?
Yeah, man.
Lobster! Yo, Jojo. I don't know, you know.
Def.
Yeah, real talks to you know.
Yeah, your life bit me.
Don't know the things said. One love, you know, man. I said, no, from your liquor. And see you come up big.
Tough boy.
Relax, no more you would.
Room,
no man.
So, yo, any cake come down you want to hold like.
No.
You understand? Now run, no joke.
Quick and fast.
Easy, sir.
Yeah. I go up on the road and come back, you know. Just one, make sure it's everybody there out on time. You understand? Everybody there on the road.
Her father, man, you know he code, man.
Do the right thing, man.
Pray say A, no B, night. Straight A. Yo, so when bossy talk, no joke that they pan bossy thing, you know.
Relax.
Hey, here, that's when I can we are fire. Boy, we are wire. You hear that?
Relax,
Easy, man. So we have the girl for you, yeah?
There ain't no man who busting belly to come on and I say, yo.
Hey, so what going? You alright?
Good to see you, Minister.
Why? You're so quiet though. Nobody not see you. Nobody not see you. Everything alright?
No, man. You're good, man.
Oh, you know, actually, I can't call you over the phone because they'll trace it.
You know? If them find out, say me are affiliated in some way, a problem.
Yeah, man, the reason why I call her when I just tell you know.
You see that piece of land, yeah?
You know, say from me a little boy, I grew up, come up. I used to run up and down on them piece of land, yeah. And I like that piece of land, yeah. You see me?
Yeah.
You don't know, yeah, Minister of Land and Agency and this, you know.
As me say, you know, them boys coming down, you know, so.
You hear me, I say, no? You see anything I come down here, so? I have to get piece of cake, you know.
What you say, no? What exactly?
I don't know, I have to say 40, you know, Minister.
So you want this land? You want this land? This land?
All of this, man. I have a vision to it, man.
Remember, you know, things are not like first time, you know. Things are...
Minister.
All right. Come.
You and I both know how this thing going on. You understand? You know how business go. You know how it go. And a crime redeem. Keep your boys them off. The boy them on station and just make 2 calls. Do what you do. You're a minister. So put in the words and make me get the title for your land. You understand?
All right.
You must say elections who come up in and vote them you want to vote.
Yes, man.
You understand? And more, there's a lot more where this come from.
All right.
What me say? Anything at all that come down here,
you unite.
Make sure.
All right.
When me can get the title for that land?
We will work on it, man. I can't give you a definite answer now, but I will work on it, man.
What me say? Just make sure, say, me get a piece of the cake. You understand? Because you get this in there, you know, say, you know me know it before.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
It's not like first time, you know, so it go, we just work magic, you know, but...
No, man, Minister, man, I know what thing said. Anything I come down here, do the right thing, here. Because right now, me have a lot of things I want to do with all this land, you know.
It's good, man.
100% blue magic, that. Just know say a bigger this. You understand?
It's good, man. It's good. It's good.
It's the right thing, man.
All right. Anyway, I can't stay long as I say, so I have to go.
There's a lot more where that come from, you know.
Yeah, but you know, I can't really stay. All right. I'll work on whatever you say. I'll see what I can.
The right thing, man. May I give you a month?
All right. So, you know, just you know if you find me. Don't call me. All right?
Well, Mr. Paula,
Yes.
this is your perfect opportunity. Now listen to me now. This criminal named Bigga, right? We need him. I've been watching you for a while now. And you notice that, but about put none of my money in the case. Because the only way we can really get to this boy named Bigga is by using a female officer. You understand me? But the commissioner has called me saying he can't sleep. We need to get rid of him. Oh, you know everything about this man, right? No. This is the place where I'm always hang out. Infiltrate and apprehend him. You understand me? Kind of love hot girls, right? So this is your perfect opportunity for you get close to him so we can apprehend this criminal. This is everything that we know about him, right? Him friends them, him associate, right? And like I tell you, this is where he hangs out. And him have whole heap of connections in the underworld with these criminal elements, right? So I'm depending on you. And in case of anything, you just get back to me. Like I said, this is a dangerous individual. Study the file, anything at all, you get back to me.
But I will go.
All right, good.
All right. So that's it?
Yes, officer, that's it.
All right.
People now ain't a drink from people.
I'm not that true. Just like too thirsty.
Well, not too thirsty. Me in Woodstock there, you know.
Oh, wait.
And the time hot. You understand? Can't burn up a pretty color you have there, you know.
See, I buy me a drink?
Of course, we can buy a drink. Name is Bigga, by the way.
Oh, and Leah.
Where?
Leah.
So I don't say I come from?
No, not really. From Portmore.
Portmore?
Yeah. But I have family in South, Westmoreland.
Yeah. Which part down there? Which part down there have family?
South.
South?
Yeah.
We're not the whole place, huh? So which part of South have family?
They place me Lalindo. I'm going to know where it is.
Land dialogue?
Yeah.
Which part around, who around there family?
Grandfather, uncle, and
grandfather?
Great-grandparents.
We're not whole place still. So if I can show you around.
Sure, no problem.
See how are you? See you want something to drink?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Oh, bartender. You want what you want then? You want what you want?
The same thing that I've been, same thing I want. I'm only man, I did done that. You won't give him a chance. It's here, talk with. Alright, me here, listen. Alright, we sure enough to the one. Alright.
Yeah, Coach, man, what you have ready?
Yeah, so I have fried chicken and pork.
Fried chicken and pork?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Festival rice and peas. Like I get fried same way.
Fried chicken and pork?
What go on, cuz boy?
Right, where you going?
Me there, man.
Oh, you going after that, sir?
You know, say a friend the other day, me there, go and hold off the turf, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other night, me done a QQ, you know. And you know, so me see one of your boy there chain low.
Which one of them?
That's a brown man. See brown man in your chain the other night on a QQ.
I mean, I say, I can't find my chain, you know.
Oh, me see man pose off down there, brother, in your chain, you. So I saw you think I'm moving now.
Yo, no say a word, man. No say a word, man.
Yeah.
I think good, man. I think good. Yo, Crash, man, hurry up with the phone there, now. No, I think set. How the feel I heard again? Yeah, man, I know I think so. Right on the main road there, I put a seal or so, you know. You know, son. Best bombard fried chicken. Only man not doing them pork still. Yo, know yourself, man. I want to say 14, man.
Yeah, be there, man.
You're not boy in the sides, you know.
Yeah, if you say boy, them a size up themselves, youth.
Yo, but you alright?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. What? Me tell us I know me take a gold chain, boss. We are talking about. Shut up, mouth, boy. Gold chain. Boss, that's my response. You can't take a gold chain, boss. Stop. You take a gold chain, boy. Hey, boy, girl, tell me a QQ say you see it on me chain, you know. Boss, I lie shot upon me, I have no chain. Ask him, bossy. You this. Yo, I'm tell this. Nobody feel like I said me, yo, when I run joke, you know that. Boss, me know what I talk about, boss. Yo, all you want, long or short. Boss, better let me go and go boss. So I take you and look at me a liar soldier and I can, boss. Liar soldier, come on, man. Show you, man. I'm tell you. Girl, you want proof, too. Girl, boy want proof, too. Put on here. Put on here. See me, boy. Put on here. Chop off your head. Chop off your head, boss. Boss, you ain't chop off, bossy. Boss, me ain't chop off, boss. Give me my chop up, boy, bossy. Yo, deal with this. What's that? If I deal with that. All right, bossy. I'll go up to the airport and come back. All right. Boy, deal with that. You must take up that, boy. Chop off the boy. I'm putting in a boy. But take up that. You must take up that.
Where yourself, man? I feel me play yourself, I saw the place look.
Nice, like it.
Like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you play so I can just stay for bounce? Nah, son?
Yeah.
Take one out. Come squeeze us.
No, fingerprint on it.
What's fingerprint? Don't worry about fingerprint. Hold this. What's up? Squeeze it. Wow. I first say one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? The police in your family?
Yeah.
Them boys, they are boys in our force, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't know, man, a done man not really take orders from nobody, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. And one big man, you understand?
Yeah.
Them are them, and me. Real done. No boy, no chat. And we done so true in a real life. Yo, I go and say, you know, things that you know.
Alright.
I say, I make a touch your road like more.
Yeah, man.
Come in, you know. I say, I have a friend.
Mm-hmm. We have 1 or 2 friends. We have 1 or 2 friends.
So I think so.
Alright, so you say the phone.
Yo, you hear me? I say, now what I worry yourself in my dog. You see me?
Makes sense.
You see all of them people here?
She have money, but
Money this. Money all look fun.
and we have been on those.
All of this money. There's some new product are coming. Worry yourself, man. There's some new product are coming. You understand? Worry yourself.
Wondering where they came from. You know?
There's times when I want something more, someone more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete. But you see and behind your dark glasses, you're something else. And you're really
How was your flight?
It's good. I'm just a little tired.
Tired? How yourself, man? May I make sure you go home and get a massage here? It's all them people I'm irresponsible for them, you know. I mean, them have to pay me taxes. And food there for we eat, and we have to eat a lot of food off of them people here. We're glad they're rich.
Different ways to each their own journey, to each their own struggles. And
Oh, that bad man. Oh.
Whatever we talked about earlier, it's between me and you.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. And not worry yourself about nothing. You see me?
All right, I'll call you when I'm ready.
Yeah, when you're ready, just link me. Go and check your back. All right, I'm mad man right now, but speak up, boy, man. I'll go do it. You see me? Not worry yourself about because, man, I'll go do it here. So, all right now, so I'm kind of hot right now. I'm more tight here.
All right.
So, I'm going to dig off.
All right.
Spice.
Rolla, you got a minute?
Yeah, man, no problem.
I came for the product. We got to get it out in the street.
I know that you came for the product. Let me get it. This is it. Spice. This ain't no joke business, you know that, right? It's all here.
Let's take a look.
Okay, let me see him. Right here. Right, shit. So listen, when you go up, you make bossy know that I'm here taking care of everything the real and right way. And one day, some police have enough running for the ends. I have to take care of myself. When I tell bossy get still, because I shoot when I feel sick. I don't want to pressure or pain go up, isn't it? All this. Sure, when I go up on the street, you don't make nobody tap off. No car, no bike, no police, no hoodlums, nothing. Straight to bossy. And only you're gonna get in trouble. Me also.
Right.
You know that. Because if you let anything happen with that, not you alone is gonna be in problem.
And that's the end of for both of us.
What bossy had to say me?
He's doing all right. There's a lot going on right now. We're just trying to organize up and get new protocol going on around here. He also wants us to schedule a meeting. So I need you to get everybody together. And we're gonna schedule a meeting so we can go over.
At the least, man, because I really want boss to get to that point how long. And right now, his sickness are kind of slow pitting his eat, so I really want to reach there so I can get a higher level in the rank in his eat. I make the youths know, so if you listen to me one time, I talk when the boss left me in charge, same way when you is not here, you know what I mean? Yeah, we have to try to get the dogs them together and make sure things upgrade and do the right way, you see me? So build up a thing, man, and we link up anytime, right? Just eat.
All right, you be safe.
And remember Spice.
Just remember, same time, same place, yeah? All right. If I not met John one point, all right.
Listen, the queen is in the system now. System override, logging or get logged out. Oh, general, them use the chrome, me use the algorithm. Negril, cliffside, different vision. Me see the code in a rhythm. They set a digital block, heavy gold chains on the glasses. Me build a firewall with calm hands. Put the whole thing to the test. Blue magic glowing from the gun to the glow. Maya on the map now. Keep me steady, keep me pro.
Come on, let's go lay down. Let's go lay down.
Oh, I'm tired of a bed.
Oh, it's okay, baby. Come on, let's just lay down.
Long walk on the streets.
You can't do that right now, babe. Come on.
Get out of here now.
Bigga, you have to listen to the doctor. You have to get better.
The doctor can't go to one. The doctor don't know what I'm saying.
You can't just not listen to the doctor. You have to get better. You want to get better, right? It's gonna be okay, baby. You just have to listen to what the doctor says.
Man, I know I'm not joking business today. Mama, what on?
Me there, you know.
I know things change, you know. Boss is sick out and me I run off the thing, you know, you see me?
Really?
Yeah, so I food me come for a piece of food there.
No, man, that man that link me already, you know.
Boy, Bigga come up here and tell me nothing.
Bigga link me already, dog.
Bigga joke with me thing, man. Yeah, mama, show me know say boy Bigga come up here, you know.
Me don't know, but I feel him think that kind of man link me already, you see me?
True boss, he kind of sick out and one. Yeah. And me I kind of deal with the thing, you know, so I make sure I go up on every road, every corner and see what I go on, you see it?
Yeah, me don't deal with the thing already still, you see me?
All right, just go on with the faith, man. Remember, man, if no boy growing out there and seeing him, man, we know what I go on.
Yeah.
Yourself, you hear that?
Blessings, yeah, man. Yo, Bigga. You know, say, that roll out calling me. I want to know what I want, because that man that link me and me don't tell him, say, you call link me already. So I don't know how that go. And I have to start out in the thing, dog, and make the thing straight, because I can't work them the way they see me. That man that link me a while ago, and something say, I have to just make that man that know, say, you did forward, you see me?
Yo, Spice. No more computer talking. I feel like the streets have a delete number. You feel like you run Negril or own Negril. You don't even run or own your own life. And you can go on like you want to take over a business. Where you the Spice?
You see that drone right there? Right there.
Yeah, man, I see it, man.
It's live streaming everything to the whole entire crew.
Remember, I say a business we talk about, man, boss, you know, say everything good and something, man.
Don't worry, it's already registered to your sister's house. And the police are already watching the PD.
Yeah, you know what things say, man? Because they are trying to show you, say, we don't want the business mash up. You see me?
Just remember, you're being watched. So if you touch me, it's over for you.
What you try to prove? Spice, you don't even know what go on there. Yeah? Remember me tell you, hey, you should just calm, see here, and know what you do. Because you don't know what you get yourself into. Me, if you run off a thing and the thing, I get drift up.
You're just a loud noise in a quiet place. You'll never be done.
Worry yourself, man. That code here. Just make sure the bird always watch your ear. That may make you know.
Spice.
Yo, Jawbone, how everything looking out there?
Not so good, you know. Not so good at all.
What's going on?
Roll out. Him a go around the thing. Shaky. I don't trust him none at all. He might mess up things. You need to get rid of him. I don't like him.
No room for none of that. So I need you to handle him.
Me?
You. Bigga already knew what was going on, so we need to get it taken care of. As soon as we can do this, as soon as possible.
I'm give him a fast debt. Send him home quick.
Can I trust you?
Yes, because you know, anything with money, we get it done. You know, money put on pot. Even if no food is not there, money after in the pocket.
Right.
So all you have to do, consider it done. How you want it, slow or fast.
Yep, well, speaking of money, I got a new product I need to get on the streets called Blue Magic. You heard of it?
Blue Magic, as in the magic or the powder?
It's the powder magic.
Oh, once it's powder, I know. Money involved.
Good.
No problem.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need you to handle that with rollout first. We're trusting you to take care of him.
Consider rollout, eliminate.
All right, well, I'm gonna give you till tomorrow.
20% of what him going to give me.
Okay, I'll talk to him about that.
All right, have a nice night.
All right.
Boy, yo. Yeah, go find. Yeah, man, know. I boy, Bigga who I'm getting up. See, but here what I say now. Let's do it quick and fast, you know, because we're trying to throw a boy and chuck and move, you see me?
Anything you say, no boss? Yeah, I say, boss, you know, I'm hungry for me food, you know. What's that thing?
You are going to kill him. I don't want you to shoot him. I want him alive, you see it?
I want him, brother. I want to do it.
I just want to know a crushing mission, quick and fast. 90 seconds. Here, sir.
All right.
Move.
All right, save it, General.
Yes.
Come on. Yo, oh, you the man remember saying 90 seconds the boss give you, brother. Yeah, man, you're farm sick. Yeah, man. I'm not getting no man. Yo, hurry up, the boy.
Yo, to make a big mistake, you know.
Give me the car, kill them.
Boy, you know long we want you. You know long we want you, boy. Come look, lad. You know long we want you. Walk that you.
We respect all the boss, no man. Go up there.
Walk that you. Yeah, you have to move faster. You have to move faster.
All right, yes. 90 seconds. Time.
90 seconds.
Hey, Punch-Chargy.
Man.
But me in a party. So me tell him.
I give me money then.
How much money what? 150 me over.
This not short, man. I say I deal with man all the while, you know, man. You can't short change, man, so, man.
You know how much money?
Man, you always I do this in the youth.
You know how much money, man?
What's the man? Hurry yourself, man. Hurry yourself, man. That's it.
You want to talk? Me a soft one.
Yeah, man. A good man.
Yeah, man. Well soft.
You there?
Well soft. How is it?
So you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You owe me, you know?
Yeah.
Next time you deal with me good, you know?
Yeah.
I owe me next time you just stop up with things. That's it.
Yeah,
man.
All right.
See you with yourself.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, man.
Always a short man money, but there you go.
You wanna make a big mistake? Yo, stop it nice, boy. Stop it nice, man. Yo, kill it, don't bust him head still, you know. Yo, guys, job well done here. Wanna do it, you know, really fast. Me respect that. Call the girl Spice and yo.
What you say? Beat the 90 second, boss.
At 85, wanna do.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, shut. Yeah, muscle up. Yeah, muscle up for my...
Who's this? Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
Yo, how old is Spice?
Who is this?
You know, it's for your man, me have right, that's what I know. Yo, you hear me? I 30 million, nothing less, you know.
Where am I gonna get that money?
I 30 million, me a defend off of him, you see me? Nothing less.
Where is he? You don't have him.
Don't kill him. Yo, what you say, me not have him? Licky boy in him face next year.
Let me see him.
Yo, what you say? Me not fi kill him.
Oh my God. No, this can't be happening. No. Bigga.
Yo, stop it crying, man. We have ball boat. Yo, here I go on. 30 million, I hear me now.
Okay.
Me I go and go tree.
I'm gonna get you, baby, okay?
12 o'clock.
I'll be there.
Yo, girl, don't care nobody with you, you know.
I'm coming, baby. First class.
I'll go on, bossy. What, man? What you doing?
It's harvest time. It's time to relax.
No problem, man.
No games. It's urgent. We need 100% everything now. It's urgent.
It sounds like something going on, so I'll go on.
I can't even believe this. I can't even believe I'm saying this right now, but they kidnapped Bigga.
What you say?
I can't even believe this myself.
So you say you want me to lift up a thing them and deal with them? So just give out the order. I'm ready. I'm all yours. Just tell me so you go step on some boy.
No guns. They make too much noise. We gotta think this out.
Jesus Christ.
We gotta be smart.
Consider it.
No, this is...
But anyway, I have my percentage. I need to check nothing, you know, just... This is everything what I make already, you know.
This is everything.
Yeah, man, I'm out here at work, same way.
Yes.
But just consider my thing, you know. If you want me just lift up everything, you know, just tell me, you know.
Not yet. Just keep out.
Yo,
keep a listen out.
Put me on speed dial. Call me.
I got you.
Call me. I will want champ for some of them, you know. You forgive me word, you know.
All right, I'm just keep your eye out.
How them ramp with Bigga?
It's too much going on right now.
All right, just take care. Just keep me posted.
All right.
Any little move, just tell me say you're running.
All right. Thank you.
All right. That was so brave. Yo, man, me just a pray, especially just call me and say, yo. How long will I take for boy, man? Bigga. Some boy brave.
You know what I'm saying? So I come to Jamaica, support the local kitchen. About the hotel food. Come on road, come drive around and see the place, see the island. And name the local food, you understand? So right there, so. On Petersfield Main Road. You understand? Crouch restaurant and supermarket. What do you think, sir? Fresh fried food, you can see it fresh. Wow! So I think, sir.
Yeah, man. A big product, you know. Altivasel, sex machine. Make from Changback, Cheney roots, Magnum tonic wine, the rind of a watermelon, Medina, dead and weight maca, cayenne pepper. You see me? All right. And it's also unisex. So how it work? Like one cap, take 5 minutes to go in a system, stay in your system for 2 days. So male, give you an erection 10 minutes time. Female also turn you on, you know? Yeah, man. Sex machine.
Silence on the floor, you hear what I say? Zane? We just want to say congratulations to everybody right there saying. Zane, big up to the all world. Charmaine, you're a real mama on the bridge, you know. You respect around.
What up on the bridge? Just catch you.
No, man. And she run off the thing up there. She don't walk on the bridge. And she run off the thing. Ready again?
Look at the thing. Charmaine, you can't charge the phone now.
Ready? Charmaine, big up yourself in a moment.
Then cut that and jump on. No, and jump, you want to jump. How much train line?
The deer? Is it like a piece of captive by no
Say yo, Blacks.
Yo.
I just want to say to you if you're going to do it.
When you out of so you see me come here and say, yo, you don't want to weed. Right, that's all. Yeah, that's one, test it, all right. I can't hear you. Yeah. I'm moving. Let's see if I can get Alright, good. I love in a shower, man. I know you think set, you know. Oh, you over here, that. Outside. Yo! Let me know I see them, I walk come up, but you turn up in the road, I'm like, what's up? I push out of the way. You understand? Like the outer side, like in the right, so turn up and but I look at the camera, there's a none there. So like, me I come up, I say, nah, me just go so. I go so. You understand?
True, you're a woman, you know. But me I make sure me and deal with you. And that me I tell you.
Yes, boss. We can do what we want to that because she ring from morning.
Do anything you want to do.
You hear that, boy? Run me. Run me, boy.